Hello viewers, today we are going to draw an Aztec temple. So let's start the drawing. First we draw a straight line like this, as you can see, and we are going to draw the temple on top of it. Looks like this. Because of the perspective, the back side of the temple, it's just inclined with this paper, and we draw another line. The doors, as you can see here, looks like this. So this is totally dark inside the doors, and another smaller one. So you can see three doors. One door is on the side. Okay, now we can put few dots like this to show the outlines, and let's draw a straight line like this. We're using the freehand drawing skills so that you don't need any instruments to draw in a sketch. So for the middle staircase, for the people to climb upward direction, we need to draw the railings on both sides of the stairs. So this is on the left side, and another railing is going to be on the right side. All right. So we're going to put the staircase like the smaller steps. So lots of hatches, as you can see. I'm going to put like this. As you know that for these types of temple, if you want to make it, you need the involvement of thousands of people, and it takes too much time, so many years. Okay, so the staircase is done. Now let's put few vertical lines, but before that one we need to put some horizontal lines. We can draw like this, so both sides the same height of the staircase, that's why. There are so many repetitions of the particular segments, so you need to have patience to draw all the details. Now we are going to connect the staircase here at the bottom. Alright, so all the staircase, as you can see, it's done. Now we're going to do some details on the sides of those staircases. So usually the sides looks like this. For the perspective, you can see details are little bit inclined. Alright. And now you can draw the ground. This is the ground. So as you can see, we're going to put few shades for this temple in the corner. All right, so this is the beginning. So left side, now we're going to put shades for the right side the same way as we put it before for the other part. That's why the blocks are partially dark and partially red, light and the dark. For the top of the house, we're going to put a different shape. All right, so this is the border line. Now we're going to do the final and last outline for these vertical and inclined lines. Okay, so I hope you like the video. The Aztec temple, it looks nice. Shades are great. Do the practice at home. If you like, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.